Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something sweet, simple, and totally irresistible for you. A no-bake cream cake recipe that requires zero baking, minimal effort, and delivers a creamy, dreamy texture you'll fall in love with. If you're someone who wants a stunning dessert but doesn't want to deal with ovens, timers, or complicated baking steps, this is exactly what you need. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or just want a quick and impressive treat for guests, this no-fuss cake is perfect for birthdays, weekend gatherings, or just to satisfy your sweet cravings. Let's jump right into it, because once you see how easy and delicious this no-bake cream cake recipe is, you'll want to make it on repeat. All right, here's everything you'll need to make this delicious cake. For the base, 300 grams of digestive biscuits, or graham crackers if you're in the US, 150 grams of melted butter, salted or unsalted, your choice. For the creamy filling, 560 grams of full-fat cream cheese. Make sure it's at room temperature. 120 grams of icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of double cream, also known as heavy cream in some countries. That's it. Simple pantry staples, but when combined, they make dessert magic. Let's break down the process so you can follow along with ease. Step 1. Prepare the biscuit base. Start by adding your digestive biscuits into a food processor. Blend until you get a fine crumb texture, like sand. This will help the base hold together well. Now pour in your melted butter and give it another quick blend until the crumbs are evenly coated and slightly sticky. This buttery biscuit base is what gives your no-bake cake that rich, slightly salty crunch that perfectly balances the sweet cream topping. Once everything is well mixed, press the mixture into the base of a springform cake tin. Use the back of a spoon or the bottom of a glass to really compact it tightly. Then pop it into the fridge to set while you prepare the filling. Step 2. Make the creamy filling. In a large mixing bowl, combine your cream cheese, icing sugar, and vanilla extract. Beat it together until the mixture becomes smooth, creamy, and lump-free. Using room temperature cream cheese helps it blend easily and gives your cake that velvety texture. Step 3. Whip the cream. In a separate bowl, pour in your double cream. Using a hand mixer or stand mixer, whip it until it reaches stiff peaks. What does that mean? When you lift the beaters, the cream should hold its shape without drooping. This step is key because it adds volume and lightness to your cake. Step 4. Combine and layer. Now it's time to marry the two. Gently fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture. Go slow and use a spatula. This keeps the air in the whipped cream and makes your cake light and fluffy instead of dense. Once it's fully combined, spread this luxurious mixture over your chilled biscuit base. Use a spatula to smooth out the top evenly. Then, place it in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours, but preferably overnight. The longer it sets, the better the texture and flavor. So, what makes this no-bake cream cake recipe so special? First of all, there's no baking required. That means no ovens, no risk of overbaking, and no stress, just chill and enjoy. Second, the texture is to die for. You've got a crunchy, buttery base and a smooth, creamy top layer that practically melts in your mouth. And lastly, it's versatile. You can top it with fresh berries, a drizzle of chocolate caramel sauce, or even a layer of lemon curd. This cake is like a blank canvas for whatever flavors you love. Cooking tip. Want to add an extra layer of flavor? Add a pinch of salt to the biscuit base if you're using unsalted butter. It adds a nice contrast to the sweetness and enhances the overall flavor of the cake. If you're trying to improve your skills in the kitchen, starting with recipes like this is a great way to build confidence. It teaches you how to whip cream properly, how to fold without deflating, and how to create layered desserts with balanced textures. This no-bake cream cake recipe is also perfect for introducing kids or beginners to the joy of making desserts because it's practically foolproof. So there you have it, your new go-to dessert, the no-bake cream cake recipe that's creamy, rich, and unbelievably easy to make. Whether you're making it for a dinner party, a celebration, or just a cozy night in, this cake never disappoints. If you try this recipe, I'd love to hear how it turned out. Drop your thoughts or any customizations you tried in the comments below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you never miss a delicious upload, and share this recipe with someone who needs a little no-bake magic in their life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one with another easy, mouth-watering treat. Happy cooking!